Here we are again. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale Bad Habit Carbon 1 2020 model year. Completely redesigned for 2019, the all-new Bad Habit features fresh, progressive geometry and the new proportional response suspension design for maximum fun on any trail, anywhere. This bike equipped with the all-new Habit frame and reliable fork Fox Float Performance 34. And SRAM GX Eagle high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as SRAM Guide R Hydro Disc. Cannondale Bad Habit Carbon 1 equipped with good tires Maxxis Rekon 27.5 by 2.8 3C compound. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.